Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually form a limited liability company in the state of Nevada. What we're going to do is quite unique because we're going to go in great detail and talk about the requirements and what you need to actually form a limited liability company in the state of Nevada. Now, obviously, the first way that you can actually form a limited liability company is going to the state website and actually starting from there. The second is that we're going to share with you a platform that can help you support you, guide you, and assist you in forming it, which is called inkfile.com, the fast, free, award-winning company formation. You can join over 1 million business owners that have used Inkfile since 2004. And obviously, guys, we know starting a new business can be stressful and expensive, and there's a lot to do to file a limited liability company, varying state requirements, numerous steps, and lots of important documentation that leave plenty of room for error, mistakes that can be costly, but that's where Inkfile comes in. Inkfile can help you and support you, and you only need to pay a state fee to file your business, but Inkfile doesn't charge any processing fee on top of it. Formation through Inkfile is free always, and you can choose to add on additional service with the premium packages. Guys, there's no hidden cost or subscription. It is 100% free with the fastest filing speeds, free registered agent, and a free compliance reminder. And the best thing is that the comprehensive set of services that got you covered, from getting your EIN and business licenses to submitting your annual report. Just choose the service that suits your situation as and when you need them. And you can easily work on your annual reports, get a registered agent, a virtual address, your EIN business number, and there's so much more because your business essentials are all in one place. So get the reminders and compliance alerts and grow your business with the additional information that you need. All you need to do is click on Get Started and you'll be taken to the next page. Over here, there's going to be two options made available. There are going to be two options available: the entity type and the state of formation. Now, if you click on the entity type, you'll see that you can form a limited liability company, an S corporation, a C corporation, or a non-profit. We're going to go with the limited liability company. Then you have to select the state that you want in. So we're going to scroll down and find the state of Nevada. Now, as we search for state of Nevada, what you'll see is that every single state of the United States is available on inkfile.com. Once we select the state of Nevada, we'll get three packages for us: the silver, the gold, and the platinum. Now, the unique thing that you'll see is the fact the state fee is constant for each of the package, and the state fee is what your selected state charges to file a new business entity. This amount is passed through and goes 100% directly to the Secretary of State. Inkfile does not keep any part of this fee, but as you can see, the filing fee over here, or the package fee, is free for the silver, is $129 for the gold, and $299 for the platinum. So what is the package fee? The package price covers the cost to create, prepare, and file all the required legal paperwork on your behalf to properly form your new business entity. It also includes the cost for additional services and products in your chosen package. Now, the platinum fee is $724 with a one-time transparent payment. The gold is $624 and the silver is $425. With the silver, you get preparation and filing of the article of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year, unlimited phone and email support. With the gold one, you get the comprehensive features to get your business started. For $624, you get everything, including the EIN business tax number, IRS Form 2553, operating agreement, banking resolution, lifetime company alerts, an online access dashboard, unlimited phone and email support, and business banking account, as well as business tax consultation. But if you want to go for the platinum one, and that's the one I always recommend for individual to go for, you get the full service features at the best value. For $724, you get a business contract template, free next day filing, domain name, and a business email. You get everything included in the silver and in the gold. And one of the things that really makes this stand out is the fact that they have the support and assistance that is available. Guys, it is very difficult and very tedious to be focusing on starting and forming a limited liability company because there's so much things that any individual or young entrepreneur is focusing on. It could be sales, operation, marketing, and even the strategic management side of their organization and business. And if you have to look at the tedious and very minute details of forming your structural business, it is going to be very difficult, and there's very high chances that you might miss something out, which can cause a lot of problem down the line. And it's for that reason I always recommend individuals to select this platform or someone that has experience and has been doing this for a number of years. If you need to speak to someone or want to have an attorney by your side, you can always head over to LegalZoom.com and get the legal help that you need from the DIY service, because the legal help is always with you to help you form your business, and you have attorneys with you every step of the way. They've helped 2 million businesses and done 650,000 consultations, and they will refund their fee within the first 60 days if you're unhappy with their service. So you can have the peace of mind knowing the documentation have been legally recognized in every state, and you'll never need to leave home to work with a lawyer. And obviously, whether you need to form a company, apply for license and permits, or get a tax ID, they'll set your business up for success. All you need to do is click on your LLC and you can head over and be able to set up your business quite simply and straightforward. Now, once you click on the LLC, they give you a complete breakdown of how you want to start an LLC in the state of Nevada. Now, a limited liability company offers liability protection and tax advantages among other benefits for small businesses. And an LLC formation in Nevada is very easy, guys, if you follow these steps, and you'll be easily be able to start a limited liability company in the state of Nevada. You'll need to choose a name to include in your articles before you can register your LLC. The name must comply with the Nevada naming requirements. Your business name must include the words limited liability company. The name must be different from existing business in the state. You can do search on a Secretary of State's website to determine if a particular name is in use or not. The business name cannot contain words used to name a government agency, and certain restricted words may require additional documentation and licenses and paperwork. You need to have a URL availability, and you need to reserve your name as well. Now, Nevada requires you to appoint a registered agent for your LLC. A registered agent is a person or entity that is authorized to receive service of process and other official legal documents and notices on behalf of your LLC. A registered agent can be a person or an entity that offers a registered agent service. They must meet the following requirements. The entities must provide registered agent services. The agent must have an address in Nevada. The agent must be on site and available to accept documents during regular business hours. Then you have to prepare and file articles of organization. The article of organization is a document that officially establishes your LLC by laying out basic information about it. It has your LLC name, the name and address and signature of your registered agent, the LLC dissolution date, the name and address of the person forming the LLC, the management structure, and the name and addresses of each manager or managing member. The person forming the LLC is required to sign the articles, which is very crucial, guys. With the initial reports must be followed by the articles, and the business license required with the articles. Once you file your articles, the Secretary of State is going to review the filing, and if the articles are approved, guys, the LLC will become a legal business entity. And once that happens, is that you will receive a certificate from the state, and this certificate will allow the LLC to obtain your employer identification number and your business licenses and a business bank account. Now, once you've completed all of that, you can create an operating agreement. This is a document that outlines the way your LLC will conduct business. Now, it must include the LLC name and principal addresses, the duration of the LLC, the name and address of the registered agent, the information about the article of organization, the purpose of business, members and their contribution, the way profit and losses will be divided, a procedure for admitting new members as well as outgoing members, and management of the LLC. Now, after you've done all of that, then you can get an employer identification number. This is a 9-digit number that is assigned by the IRS to identify your LLC for taxes. Now, the purpose of the EIN is to help you file and manage taxes at the state and federal level, and open a business account and hire employees. Once you've done all of these elements, you can start doing your business in the state of Nevada. Now, guys, if you have any questions whatsoever, if you need any clarification, you can always ask me in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.